Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet underutilized tools on Windows, the clipboard. Whether you're working on a document, copying files, or just managing content across your devices, the clipboard is there to make life easier. But did you know that there's so much more to the Windows clipboard than just simple copy-paste? If you've ever wondered how to unlock hidden features, speed up your workflow, or even fix issues related to your clipboard, this video is for you. Let's explore everything you probably didn't know about the Windows clipboard, and how you can use it to your advantage. By the end of this video, you'll be able to harness its full potential, making your task much smoother and more efficient. Getting started with the clipboard. To kick things off, let's first take a quick refresher on what the clipboard actually is, and how it works. In simple terms, the clipboard is a temporary storage area in your computer's memory, where copied data is kept until you paste it somewhere. But did you know that in Windows, it's much more than just a space for text? You're probably familiar with the Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. But did you know there's a clipboard history feature that stores multiple copied items, not just the most recent one? That's right. Gone are the days when you could only copy one thing at a time. With Windows Clipboard History, you can now copy several items and switch between them effortlessly. To activate this feature, simply head to Settings, then click on System and navigate to Clipboard. Once there, toggle the Clipboard History setting to On. With this feature activated, you can press Windows key plus V to view your clipboard history, letting you pick and paste anything you've copied recently. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to recopy something you already had. Using clipboard for more than just text. Now, let's go beyond just text and talk about how the clipboard can be used for files and images. In Windows, the clipboard doesn't just store text, you can also copy and paste files, images, and even entire folders. This is incredibly helpful when you're working on projects that involve transferring files between applications or folders. For example, let's say you're working on a presentation and need to move several files into a specific folder. Rather than dragging them one by one, you can select all the files you need, press Ctrl+C to copy them, navigate to the destination folder, and then hit Ctrl+V to paste them all at once. But here's an even cooler feature. If you're dealing with images, the clipboard can also store screenshots. To capture a screenshot on Windows, you can press Windows key plus Shift plus S to bring up the Snip Sketch tool. Once you capture your screenshot, it is automatically copied to your clipboard, ready for pasting into a document, email, or image editor. Clipboard syncing across devices. One feature that often flies under the radar is clipboard syncing across devices. With a Microsoft account, you can sync your clipboard across all devices that are connected to the same account. This is incredibly handy if you frequently switch between your PC, tablet, and even mobile devices. Here's how to set it up. Go to Settings, then System and select Clipboard. Toggle on the Sync Across Devices option. You can choose whether to sync automatically, or only when you manually select it. Once enabled, anything you copy on one device will be available on your other devices. This feature is perfect for those who work on multiple devices and need to copy and paste text or files between them. For example, you can copy an important link or note from your desktop and paste it on your phone or tablet seamlessly. This saves time and makes working on the go even easier. Advanced clipboard features. But that's not all. There are also advanced clipboard features that can really speed up your productivity. For instance, Windows 10 and 11 have a feature called clipboard formatting, which allows you to paste content from one app into another while retaining its original formatting. Let's say you're copying text from a web page or an email. When you paste it into a word processor or document, the clipboard will not only copy the text but also the font style, size, and other formatting, so your pasted content looks just like it did in the original application. To use this, simply right-click and select Paste Special, or use Ctrl plus Alt plus V to choose the paste format you prefer, like plain text or HTML. Another handy trick is pinning items to your clipboard history. Sometimes you copy something important that you'll need repeatedly throughout the day, such as a link, password, or address. Instead of searching through your clipboard history every time, you can pin those items to keep them at the top for easy access. To do this, simply click on the three dots next to an item in your clipboard history and select Pin. This ensures you always have it on hand. Fixing clipboard issues. Like all tools, the clipboard can sometimes have problems. And if you're experiencing issues such as copy-paste not working or the clipboard not clearing, don't panic. There are several ways to fix common clipboard problems. One quick fix is to restart the Windows Clipboard service. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager, then go to the Processes tab. Look for Clipboard User Service and select End Task. Once done, restart your computer, and it should resolve most clipboard-related issues. If that doesn't work, clearing your clipboard history can help reset everything. You can do this by going to Settings, navigating to System and then Clipboard, and selecting Clear Clipboard Data. In conclusion, the clipboard on Windows is an incredibly versatile and powerful tool that goes far beyond simple copy-paste. From syncing across devices to handling images and files, it's a feature that can significantly improve your productivity and workflow. With the tips and tricks we've covered today, you're now equipped to make the most out of your clipboard, from enabling history and formatting to troubleshooting common issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite clipboard features, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, good luck and peace.